Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore the Odoo website Refer and Earn module. This easy-to-use tool allows your customers to earn rewards while helping you boost store sales. It's simple, rewarding, and a great way to grow together. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore the number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. First, go to the home menu, then navigate to the Referral Manager. Here, you can manage the transaction history. Click on Configuration Settings to proceed, define the landing page in the provided field, and click the Save button. Next, select the commission type, whether it should be approved upon referral or after the successful completion of the first order. This helps in allocating referral points effectively. Define the number of referral points and set the referral point value. Customers who sign up using a referral code will receive these points. You can also define how many referral points they get and set their equivalent amount. For example, you can configure the reward point value so that 1 reward point equals to $2. You can also configure the expiry days of the referral code and activate the auth feature. After completing the configuration settings, click on the Save button. Now go to the website front end and click on the Refer and Earn menu. Start the process, and it will display the number of friends who used your referral code as well as the amount you have earned. Click on Copy to Clipboard to easily share this referral code with friends via email. The system will also display the approval status of your request, whether it's approved, credited, or rejected. You can view the earned amount and go to the detailed view to check the reward status and remaining referral amount. To understand how to use a referral code, go back and click on Copy to Clipboard. Then proceed to sign up. If you don't have an account, enter your email, name, and password. If you have a referral code, enter it during sign up and then complete the registration. Once signed up, you can click on Refer and Earn, and your referral earnings will be visible. Example, you have earned $200. Now, go to the Odoo backend, click on the Home menu, then open the Sales app. Navigate to Customers, click on a customer John Smith, and then click on Referral Details. You'll see the referral code, who referred the customer, and the total earnings. To use your referral earnings, go to Website Front End, then click on Shop, add products to the cart, click Checkout, and apply your referral earnings. Then, click on the available option to use the earnings. The total is 0. Click Confirm Order to complete the process. This is our module flow, and that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.